Hi everyone, Miss Sherry here. I'll be doing an unboxing of the Ninja Nutriblender Pro. Dave bought this for me for Christmas and I'm really excited to use it because you can make drinks, dips, and dressings. So let's see what all it comes with. It comes with a quick start guide and it also gives you 10 delicious recipes. So they give smoothies like orange blush, and they do have crush. That would be where you'd be crushing the ice, and that's strawberry daiquiri and a frozen chocolate. I think that's the one I'm going to make for you guys and for Dave. And then dressings and hummus. They give you the basics and then you can build on that with your own ideas. So that's kind of cool, but I still wish they would have given me a few more because I'm not very creative. So what I want to say before I go over all of this, I'm really excited that Dave got this for me for Christmas. I didn't tell him I wanted this, and the fact that he thought that it would go good with all of my other appliances, and he thought about it himself, makes this all the more special. I think this will be really nice to have, so he did a good job. So here we have the base. And the base has 4 buttons. It has the start stop, the crush, the smoothie, and the pulse. This also has auto IQ, and I'll explain about that in just a second. So we have 2 manual buttons and we have 2 auto IQ buttons. We have the start stop button, which is a manual button. You push the start and it will continuously run up to 60 seconds. You push stop when you want it to stop. Stop is also good for like if you're using one of the auto IQ buttons, which is a preset button. It runs until it's fully blended. And if you think it's blended good enough before it stops on its own, you can push the stop button. The other manual button is the pulse. And just like a food processor or a blender, you use the pulse for short bursts of power. As long as your finger's on the pulse button, it goes. When you let up, it stops. Push it down again, it goes. And then we have 2 auto IQ buttons. And like I said, the auto IQ is preset. It will run until it is blended. The first auto IQ button is the crush. And it will take your ice, your fruit, and your juices and expertly blend them into frozen drinks. And then the last button is also an auto IQ button, and that is the smoothie button. And it will take your frozen or fresh fruit, liquids, powders, and blend them up into a smoothie or a protein drink. So there you have it. We have the 4 buttons, 2 auto, 2 manual. It makes frozen drinks, it makes smoothies, it makes dips, and it makes dressings, which is exciting because I love to make my own dip, so you can do that. So it comes with 2 size blender cups. The tall one is 24 ounces, which makes a 21 ounce drink. The smaller one is an 18 ounce cup and it makes 16 ounces. They both come with the measurements here so you know how full. So if you only want a half of a one, you know to fill it up to half. That's very nice, so you know exactly what you're doing. And then it has a maximum liquid line on both of them, so you don't want to go past that. It's very imperative, this one has the max liquid line as well, and it's very imperative you do not go past this line. If you do, it could spill out into the unit and harm the unit. There's 2 drink lids that you just screw on, and then you have your drink cup, which is good for on the go. You blend this in the morning and then put your lid on and walk out the door to start your day. It comes with 1 blade unit here, and they screw on and it fits both cups. Another thing I want to say about this blade unit, if you're putting it in and it's facing resistance because your ingredients are up to the fill line and you face resistance, don't force it. Take some of the ingredients out so this fits easily. So take your drink cup fill it up, lid on, then put it in here and give it one little twist to the right until you hear the little click. Then you're ready to mix, and then you can use whichever button that you want. These are dishwasher safe, the cups and the lids. This needs to be washed by hand, and this just needs to be wiped down with the wet rag or paper towel. I'm really excited to try this. Sounds really easy. Unfortunately, the line that goes to my ice maker sprung a leak. I want to get that fixed to use that ice rather than having to go and buy some ice. So as soon as I get that fixed, I think I'll make that frozen chocolate and then let Dave give that a try. So I'll see you when I get my ice maker fixed. Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.